Sé valiente.
Kun shuja.
Zorawar usaha.
Ukuwe jasiri.
Be brave.
What does it mean to be brave? It means we stand up for others in need and having the courage to ask for help when we need it.
Being brave means working together. When basic needs of our families and students are being met, academic success can happen. Here at ECV, we represent over 26 languages, and in the Community Center, we represent over 10 languages for parent support. In languages, there is power. We have access to communicate with more people. Many of our students are bilingual and trilingual, and we'll be able to take that out into the real world and support others.
Especially this school is really diverse. There's a lot of cultures, there's a lot of diversity, there's a lot of people from different countries, and it's really nice to get to know these people and learn more about their culture. And our school does really good job with these things, like Multicultural Week. It's a really good week to expand and teach people more about your culture in the school.
Being brave means learning together. Our city is important because it gives us a lot of chances in life. We got to do things we love, we like, we enjoy. It's something that we can do for the rest of our life while enjoying it. It's not something that you have to do because you have to do it, but it's something that you do it and enjoy it for the rest of your life.
Being brave means succeeding together. Our soccer team is such a great example of people from all over the world coming together to work, learn, and grow and build community.
I am absolutely honored and privileged to be a part of the Cajon Valley High School community. We have the best students, teaching staff, administration, and I'm just honored to work side by side with students that are so passionate to uplift their community and uplift others.
These students inspire me every day.
This is Cajon Valley High School, working together, learning together, succeeding together.